Okay, so we don't really have a freezer. It's not something we've really needed, but as we're diabetics and the world seems to be going a bit mad with the coronavirus, we've just picked this one up off Amazon. So let's have a look what's inside. So there's plenty of unrecyclable polystyrene rather than the more modern things that seem to come in a sort of a dried paper mache. So the bottom sort of comes off the Amazon box. I'm not sure if that's by accident, but it does mean it's going to be a little bit easier to tip the freezer out. You can see it's got some wheels at the back and some adjustable feet at the front so you can get it level. The other thing with freezers is when you do finally get in its sort of final position, you plug it in, you've really got to leave it for about a day or half a day. When these things are moved, gas gets in the wrong part of the equipment and it all needs sort of, with gravity, bubble to where it needs to be before you turn it on, or you will significantly shorten the life of a fridge or any fridge freezer. Okay, so I've slid the box on the top. That's the polystyrene and plastic. Read the instructions on that, and there we are. So that's quite a sizable chest freezer, I think, for what we need. It's primarily frozen vegetables, and for the price I think that's quite a neat looking little freezer. Let's get it moved into its position. Okay, so we've been it some time now, and we've just plugged it in. Remember, there's a vent at the back, so you need some space for that, for it to pump out the heat when it's working. What you find inside it, right at the bottom, is you've got like a little drain plug there, so if you need to let any fluid out, or you need to let any moisture out, or if you've washed it, then if you undo both of those, then the water can come out of there just into a tray. You've got power, run and alarm, and obviously the alarm is on here, and it's not really flickering like that, it's just the phone doing that. The alarm is because it hasn't reached the correct temperature, because it's just been plugged in, and you've got your thermostat there as to quite how cold you want it. So that's a great little unit. I'm really pleased with that. It came with a UK plug. A lot of the stuff on Amazon comes with plug adapters, which means you've got a massive thing just sticking out the wall. They're often American or EU adapters. It's much easier if it just has a UK plug on it for us here in the UK. I'll put the links below if you want to have a look at this or something similar on Amazon. I wish you well with this mad year of 2020, and I hope you stay safe. This is Paul, cheerio for now.
Jack, you got any info sheets and solace?